Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is uMkhonto wakangubani. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula takes a jab at former President Jacob Zuma at the memorial service of Pravin Gordhan. Mbalula uthi ANC has one ex-president and that is Thabo Mbeki. They won't talk about other ones because they are not there. I am sure he meant President Zuma. Fikile Mbalula talks about the renewal of the ANC and conduct of its members. ANC has established a renewal commission led by Ramaphosa.
The only meaningful way, comrades, we can honor Comrade PG's legacy is to stay on course in the renewal of the ANC and be relentless in our fight against counter-revolution that seeks to destroy our movement. And let me give you a brief report back on his passing away so that we don't stand in these podiums in vain and cloaked as revolutionaries, but deep down we're pursuing a different agenda. Let me tell you what we're doing. The ANC have adopted the renewal program for implementation, and that renewal is about me and you as members of the ANC and our conduct in relation to the leadership we provide to society. The ANC have established the Renewal Commission led by the President. This year, we will finish 2 years as a National Executive Committee in office. We have established this commission. This commission includes former ex-presidents, and you know that the only ex-president we have is Thabo Mbeki. The other ones we won't talk about, because they are not there.
The same Mbalula who insulted Pravin at whatever opportunity he was given now wants us to believe his praises for Gordhan.
Comrade PG was the ardent believer in the renewal of the ANC and its ability to lead the charge towards the realization of a democratic society.
Pravin Gordhan must not use the name of the ANC to promote anarchy in South Africa. He must form his own political party. If he's fed up of the ANC, we will meet each other toe for toe.
Comrade Pravin, move faster, or otherwise we will move you. The commission is a place for everybody to urinate there, who are basically bored. That's what they are actually doing.
More legal setbacks for uJabulani Khumalo after the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria ordered Standard Bank to remove him as a signatory to the MK Party's bank account held by the bank. Khumalo wanted to remain as a signatory to the bank account, which received donations on basis that he was appealing his expulsion by the MK Party. Furthermore, the court slapped Khumalo with the court order to pay the umkhontowesizwe party's legal costs. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't skip the ads. I will see you on my next one.